Step into my world, where the salty breeze carries whispers of adventure, and every sunrise feels like a personal invitation to explore the hidden gems of Madeira. Nestled in the heart of the Atlantic, this island paradise, with its enchanting landscapes and warm embrace, has transcended the notion of a mere destination. It has become a special place to me. A place of soulful discoveries, where every corner unfolds a masterpiece painted by nature herself. In the heart of Funchal, the lively energy becomes contagious. It brings a warmth that feels like a home away from home. As the sun descends, casting its warm glow upon the landscape, it seems to unravel a collection of cherished moments. In the heart of Funnel Forest, I found myself surrounded by a mystical aura. At Pico, I stood on the edge of the world. Clouds embraced the majestic peaks, and the panoramic views unveiled the breathtaking beauty of Madeira's landscapes, all illuminated by the magical light of sunrise. I shadowed the cruise, where the cliffs meet the Atlantic, left a permanent mark on my heart. The crashing waves echoing as the sun dipped below the horizon, the sky transformed into a canvas of warm colors, and the stunning cliffs were a testament to nature's artistry. And then there is Santana, a village that adds a unique chapter to experience the island. The triangular houses, painted with vibrant colors, stand as a testament to the island's rich cultural heritage. As I traced the coastline, the waves whispered tales of timeless beauty. The sea cliffs stood tall, a reminder that nature's poetry is written in the rhythm and flow of the tides. Cascata dos Anjos unfolds before me like a living canvas, a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of Madeira's lush landscape. Madeira, you've become my favorite journey of embracing the dawn and chasing the dusk. From the enchanting Fano forest to the majestic heights of Pico and the coastal wonders of Echadas da Cruz, each place has created its own chapter into the tapestry of my memories, framed by the golden moments of sunrises and sunsets. In these islands, every moment is a symphony, and every view is a masterpiece. So let yourself be swept away by the magic of Madeira, where reality merges with dreams, and every moment is an adventure waiting to unfold.